Yo, what's up legends? It's Andy here from MrYouWho. I've got another exciting review for you today. Today we're checking out the Tozo Crystal Pods, one of the cleanest looking transparent earbuds I've ever tested, and a serious contender for best value under $30. But this review is extra special, guys, because it's also part of our Philippines exclusive giveaway. If you've been watching the channel, you already know I'm currently based in the Philippines and absolutely loving it here. The people, the food, the energy, guys, it's just different. And a large part of my audience also comes from the Philippines. So guys, to say thanks to you, I'm giving away two epic earbud giveaways. One is the Tozo Crystal earbuds I've got here, and the other is a Tozo NC3, which is just here. Now, we've done the other video there, which you can check as well. So it's a great chance for you guys to get in there and win some prizes. So if you want to win, guys, it's super simple. One, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Step two, like this video. Step three, drop a comment below and let me know where you're watching from in the Philippines and which feature you're most excited about. And guys, for bonus entries, share this video on Facebook and tag your friends. Each tag gets you another entry. And guys, it's my way of giving back to the community. I've also just given away a Cosbit Tank X2 Ultra smartwatch to someone in the Philippines as well. And we've got several giveaways also going across our channel. But guys, this is for you guys in the Philippines only. Now let's get into it, because these Crystal Pods are more than just a good looking pair of earbuds. I've been using them daily, out walking through the BGC, squeezed into a packet MRT, and even during sweaty gym sessions. And I've got some thoughts. Before I do, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification button so you get all the latest giveaways that's happening. And we're giving away over 8 different products just at the moment. So let's start with the unboxing. You get that signature Tozo setup. The earbuds, multiple ear tip sizes, a short USB-C cable, and a standout feature, that transparent case. The see-through lid, the subtle carbon fiber trim, the visible internals, this thing seriously looks premium. Even the earbuds themselves are semi-transparent with metallic touch controls that feel more flagship than budget. And as you can see, they're just there. Now, the great thing is once you pop them in your ears, the first thing I notice, guys, is they're very snug. Once you find the right ear tips, they lock in very, very well. Now, I use one straight out of the box. Now, doing the shake test now, you can see they're not moving at all and they fit just right in there. So whether I'm running, doing sit-ups out at the gym, they don't move at all. They do sit a bit deeper in the ears compared to the NC3, but I actually really like that. Now, sound-wise, I tested these with some of my go-to tracks. First up, I love Fleetwood Mac, so I did Dreams by Fleetwood Mac. The Crystal Pods handled that silky top end and rolling bass beautifully. Then I hit Can't Stop by Red Hot Chili Peppers, and once again, that funky rhythm selection sounded crisp and vocals sat perfectly in the mix. Now these have 10mm drivers with Tozo's OrigX acoustic tech. You can feel that power, especially if you tweak the EQ. I tried the bass plus, jazz and hip hop presets inside the Tozo app and noticed a legit difference between each of them. The sound gets louder, punchier and more refined when dialed in properly. The earbuds themselves have 7 hours on a single charge, or up to 35 hours if you keep them in the case. Now with ANC on, I was getting 6 hours straight, and then you've got the handy fast charge feature too. So just 10 minutes, guys, plugged in with the USB-C charger, you get over 2 hours playback. It's perfect when you're heading out and low on juice. Now let's talk about active noise cancellation. So it's rated up to 38 decibels. And while, guys, it doesn't compete with premium earbuds, it really does do a decent job cutting out background chatter, fans, or soft traffic noise. On a noisy street in Makati, it made a real difference when I switched from normal NC to ANC mode. This said, this isn't Bose or JBL tier ANC, but guys, for the price, it definitely helps. Transparency mode is a win too. I used it to order street food without putting the earbuds on. I could just press a button there like that, and I could speak to people and order the food. Voices came through clearly, and I didn't feel I had to yell. Call quality, it's okay. I tested this while walking through the Greenbelt with wind blowing and people chatting nearby. Thanks to the 4 mics and AI noise reduction, my voice came through reasonably clear. It's not studio quality, but guys, again, you're not paying $200 for AirPod Pros. You're getting $25, $30. Now let's talk also the Tozo app for a second. You've got 32 EQ presets, customizable controls for each bud, and even AI features like relaxing sounds, voice translation, and sleep modes. Some of the AI stuff feels a bit gimmicky, but the EQ presets and control customizations are the real deal. So I set the right earbud here to handle volume and skipping tracks, the left one for ANC and voice assistant. Guys, it worked very, very well. Yeah, they came out quite good. Now I also tested out video playback and latency. As you guys know, a lot of people use these for gaming, so latency was actually really good. Once I activated the gaming mode in the app, I played a few rounds of COD Mobile and had no syncing issues. Great soundstage, solid positioning, and explosions had good weight. So they were really, really good. And the other thing is as well, going back to the comfort, as you can see, they're just sitting there. They feel really comfortable. I like the more kind of bulky earbuds because a lot of the time they can move around a bit. These don't. How about water resistance? Well, this is rated IPX5, so sweat and light rain are no problem. I wouldn't submerge them but for everyday life, workouts, or running in a drizzle, they're good to go, guys. So, final thoughts, the Tozo Crystal Pods. What do I think? Well guys, they punch well above their price and offer enough customization to make them truly yours. The sound is clean, the case is stunning, the app gives you loads of control, and while the ANC and mic quality aren't perfect, they're still impressive for the budget and for the price. So, would I recommend them? Well guys, absolutely. If you want something look fresh and sounds legit without breaking the bank, this is your perfect idea. And you've also got the Tozo NC3, which we reviewed earlier as well, which you could also go for. They're also very, very good earbuds as well. So I'll do a full comparison video later and let you guys know what I think. But also guys, in the Philippines, go into the entry. I really want you guys to win these. Anyone across the world, we've got several other giveaways going as well, links below. So how do you do it? Well, subscribe, like the video, comment where you're watching from and what feature you love most. Also share the video to Facebook and tag friends for extra entries as well. Winners will be announced in the next few weeks and we'll be sending these directly to you as well. And it's all to say thank you for all your support. Again, we've given away already over $6,000 worth of prizes. There's another 9 prizes we're giving away at the moment, so check the giveaway below. But say massive thank you to everyone here in the Philippines for all the support and love. And guys, I'm in the Philippines for another 2 months, so make sure you look me up, send me a message, and let me know what you think. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification button to get the latest videos and giveaways. Guys, catch you in the next one.